All right, so on number 30, it says find the zeros of the graph. Okay, so first let's do that. What are the zeros of this graph? Or what does zeros even mean? So it's x-intercepts, right? But what would you write then as your zeros? X equals, right? Because remember, whenever we solve for solutions, which also means zeros, we always write x equals. So what are your two zeros here then? That's right, x equals -2 and x equals 6. That's where it's crossing. It's crossing at x equals -2 and it's crossing at x equals 6. If it just asks for x-intercepts, that's where you would have to write the point where it's like -2, 0, and 6, 0. But this asks for zeros. That means solutions, and solutions is always x equals something. Okay, so that's part of the question. Then it says, based on that, is the discriminant negative, 0, or positive? Could you tell me? What is it? Negative. Why did you say it's negative? That does not have to do with the discriminant. The discriminant tells you, remember, how many solutions and what kind of solutions. So how many solutions do we have here? 2. So it's not 0. 0 tells you there's one solution, remember? One real solution. So now negative or positive? Positive tells you 2 real solutions. And negative tells you 2 non-real solutions. What kind of solutions are on this graph? Real. How did you know it's 2 real solutions?
Because they're real numbers.
This x equals -2 and x equals 6, yeah, those are real numbers. It's actually crossing the x-axis, right? So because this is 2 real solutions, would your discriminant be positive or negative then? Positive. So this is a really big understanding check to see if you understand what the discriminant is telling you. But yeah, you got 2 real solutions because you can see x equals -2, x equals 6, which means your discriminant is positive. And that's number 30.